YouTube channel. So what's the model we're going to make today? Well, looking at the picture, we can all tell today's model is the robot rabbit. So why do I call it a robot rabbit? Obviously, the model resembles a rabbit and also functions like a normal rabbit. That means the robot rabbit uses the legs to hop and move. Let's start building and see how the robot works. So here are all the parts you will need. Starting off, you'll need a battery housing. You'll need one battery housing. This is a motor. You'll need one motor. This is a pin without friction. You'll need five pins without friction. This is a bush. You'll need one bush. This is a pin connector. You'll need one piece. This is a 1x2 axle. You'll need 2 axles. This is an axle connector. You will need 4 axle connectors. This is a 1x8 axle. You'll need 2 1x8 axles. This is an 8 gear. It has 8 teeth. You'll need 2 gears. This is a 16 gear. It has 16 teeth. You will need one 16 gear. This is a 24 gear. It has 24 teeth. You will need 4 gears. This is a 1x8 tech brick. You will need 2 pieces. This is a swivel plate. You will need 1 swivel plate. This is a hinge brick. You will need 1 brick. This is a 8x6 base plate. You will need 1 plate. This is a 2x6 plate. You will need 3 plates. This is a 2x4 brick. You will need 3 bricks. This is a 2x2 round brick. You will need 2 bricks. This is a 1x4 plate. You will need 4 of these plates. This is a 2x4 base plate with holes in it. You will need 2 plates. This is a 1x2 slope. You will need 4 slopes. This is a 1x2 tech brick. You will need 9 bricks. This is a 1x3 slope. You'll need 4 slopes. This is a 1x2 inverted slope. You'll need 4 slopes. This is a 1x6 curved slope. You will need 4 curved slopes. This is a 1x3 inverted slope. You will need 4 slopes. This is a 1x8 tech brick. You'll need 2 bricks. This is a 1x6 tech brick. You will need 4 of these, 4 tech bricks. This is a 1x4 tech brick. You will need 13 tech bricks. Without further ado, let's start building. So I'll finish the model. Let's plug it in and see it in action. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Do you notice how the rabbit's legs move at the same time and simulate the rabbit's movements? Well, as you see here, the gears are symmetrical and not asymmetrical. Why? You guys may be wondering, what does that mean? Well, symmetry is when an object is able to be cut in equal portions that both share the same dimensions, while asymmetry is the opposite. This rabbit utilizes symmetry in the gears in order to make both legs hop at the same time to imitate the rabbit's movement, like here. Here are some more examples of asymmetry and symmetry, where a symmetrical shape, such as this tree is, followed by the dotted line, you see one side is equal to the other side. While an asymmetrical tree, or cut in half, this side is not equal to this side. We have another concept here as well, that is the idler gear. The idler gear is situated in the middle of two gears, which is used to transfer power from one gear to another. When the motor spins gear A, it will spin the idler gear, in return spinning gear B, which spins both gears at the same time and creates the rabbit's movements. Here is another diagram of idler gear. When gear A, which is the driver, spins, it will spin gear B, which is the idler gear, and spins gear C, which is the driven gear. Overall, I hope you enjoyed today's model about the robot rabbit. So next week's model is the garbage truck. I wonder what theories can I learn from this model? If you'd like to learn more about the garbage truck, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll never miss out on any of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy building. Bye.